We got it. Okay, well, our trusty club vice president and mechanic was able to fix the groomer. So he's on his way down the road back home. I'm driving the groomer back, so I should be home around in an hour. So, the groomer is fixed, but I mean we gotta change a part, so we're gonna limp it back to town, but we have the part to fix it at the garage, so groomer is gonna sleep back home. So over and out.